Hi everyone, this is Sandeep Katuri. Hope everybody having a good time. Today I want to talk about the how to enhance our digital payments using the AI. I want to give some important points here, important notes, and then I want to run through how we can utilize the AI and then how to make our life easy, basically, and then how to make our payment sector very secure. Yeah, after the session, hope everybody get knowledge and then so that we can make it all secure. So I want to start with enhancing the digital payment secure with AI. Basically, the global digital payment market is post exponential growth, but that comes to the high security risk, basically. Yeah, you can do it within the, if with this presentation, I want to go ahead and then basically show what kind of revolution payments security that we can run through and then so that we can do the fraud detection, productivity analytics, and adapt to threat mechanism. Yeah, I'm going through the second slide so that we can go further. The growth challenge of digital payments fraud nowadays, there are two high risks that we can do, or there's two components that we have to take into consideration. Number one is rapid growth. That's what's happening in digital world. And then second thing, rising threats. Whenever you see there are a lot of growth that are happening in any sector, at the same time, we see on the other side of the coin, there is a rising threat. So when it comes to the growth, what kind of digital payment we're seeing the growth, and then we're experienced unprecedented expansion in the product search, and then the projected the surge behind 15 trillion by 2027. This is a huge number, and then this is the explosive growth basically fueled versatile of adoptions like whatever the contactless payment that we are doing, and then mobile wallet paying payments, and then emerging technologies like blockchain, transforming how billions of people worldwide conducting the transaction. So the rapid growth happening with all these things, but other side we have a lot of threats are rising, rising threats. However, this digital payment revolution has attracted sophisticated cyber criminals basically, and then leading alarm rise in a fraud. So experts predicted annual loss from payments fraud will be skyrocketed $48 billion by 2025, with attacking become increasingly complex, harder, detecting using the traditional security measure what we have right now. What do we have to do to get this payment secure and then to make the things better for the human life? So AI powered fraud detection, this is usually a game changer where we can detect the threats with using the AI automatically. So there are three things that we could do. One is a learning model, basically AI powered fraud detection model, leveraging the deep learning and behavioral biometrics, and having demonstrated an 80% of improvement in detections the suspicious transactions compared to traditional rule methods. And second thing, what we can do, enhance the accuracy. So machine learning algorithm. So using the machine learning algorithms, analyzing the vast data sets, identifying the anomalous and unauthorized access attempts with a 98% of accuracy, significantly reducing false positive, basically. So we see nowadays a lot of false positive situations, and then using the enhancing the accuracy using the machine learning algorithm, so we can basically detect these things very easily. And then the third one we can think of is predictive analytics. AI-driven predictive analytics helps financial institutions and anticipated fraud threats, right? So reducing the potential losses by up to 12 billion annually. So this is how we can do the predictive analytics. And move on to the next slide. Another thing what we can achieve is real-time transaction monitoring and biometric authentication. So real-time monitoring. So using the advanced AI powered transaction monitoring has slashed a fraud incident by 30% across the financial network. So with the ability to analyze over 20,000 transactions per second, the flag suspicious activity within milliseconds. So that's what we can do with the real-time monitoring. And then another stuff we can do, biometric authentication. Next generation biometric authentication combines AI with the multiple verification methods, so including facial recognition and fingerprint scanning and then voice patterns. So with this, we can achieve 99.9 accuracy with a reducing authentication time to under almost 2 seconds. So this is multimodal approach that cut frontal access and attempt by 85% of while maintaining the seamless user experience. Let's move on to the next one. The main thing is the blockchain like security, a new frontier for securing the digital payments. So there are two things, right? So zero knowledge proof and then predator learning. So a revolution AI powered blockchain security protocol utilizes zero knowledge proofs to validate transaction with 100% accuracy. That's a huge number. That's like a perfect 100% accuracy while maintaining the complete data privacy. This breakthrough is a technology enabling the financial institution process over 10,000 transactions per second. That's fast. And while ensuring the sensitivity customer information remain fully encrypted and protected. So using this zero knowledge proof, you can achieve good things. Another one, federated lending. Through advanced federated lending system, bank and payment providers can now collaborate to strengthen their collective defense against fraud. So sharing AI model improvement without exponential customer data, this distributed approach has helped anticipated institution reduce fraud 65% while maintaining strict data and regulatory compliances. So those things we can achieve with the blockchain. And then I want to move on to the next slide and explain the industry success stories, demonstrating the AI impact, what we could do using the AI, and then the industry success stories. Number one is reduced chargeback. Leading financial institutions have reported dramatically 40% of reduction in chargeback fraud through sophisticated AI-driven detection system. That's a huge number. So we're getting the 40% reduction in chargeback fraud. And then major credit card providers implementing these solutions save over 2.3 billion in fraud until claim while maintaining the customer satisfaction rates about 95%. So that's a huge numbers there. And then second thing is the enhanced transaction speed. So another success story, we can do enhanced transaction by 20% using the AI algorithm. And then if you look at the processing time is 3.2 seconds, just 8.6 seconds, a leading 30% increase in customer completion rate and significantly higher merchant satisfaction score. So yeah, reduce chargebacks and then enhance transaction speed. So there are big things that we can achieve with the AI. And then let's move on to the next one. Emerging AI trends shaping the future of payment security. So what is the trends that we see right now for the future of secure the payments, any kind of payment? So quantum security encryption and then adversarial AI defense mechanism. These two we can use, and then that's the AI trend that we are looking right now. The advent of quantum computer necessity, quantum secure encryption algorithm to protect against the potential attacks, and then AI plays a big role in this. So develop and then we use the encryption method. Those are things. And AI-driven, and the second one, adversarial AI defense mechanism. AI-driven defense mechanism are evolving to proactively combat adversarial attacks such as defects and malwares, ensuring resilience of payment system against sophisticated threat. Okay, let's move on to the important thing, AI role building a safer digital financial ecosystem. So what we can do to build a safer digital financial ecosystem using the AI. What is the AI role? So there we can think of three things right now: the enhanced security, improved efficiency, enhanced customer experience. So by the looking at these things with the using the AI, the financial institution proactively detect the payment fraud, and then it will help the financial institution and then consumer and everybody, customer, everybody, and then improved efficiency. So AI-driven automation seamless process leading to faster transaction, reduce the cost, and then more efficient financial ecosystem. And then the third one is enhance the customer service. So end of the day, the customer experience is a main priority. So using the AI powered solution improved, you can basically the customer can feel more secure, and then we can do like a seamless payment processing, and while minimizing the friction and enhancing convenience. The future payment security, how it is looking in the future payment security, a collaborative, what we can do to achieve this, and then what is our approach we should follow. Now, cross industry partnership, let's establish a dynamic partnership between the banks and then fintech companies and cybersecurity experts to create a integrated defense security that rapidly share the intelligent and best practice and practices basically. And second thing is breakthrough technologies, investing in cutting edge cutting edge AI and then machine learning solution that predict the emerging cybersecurity threats and while adapting to evolving payment technologies and consumer behavior. And third one is smart governance, developing the flexible yet robust regulatory standards and the balance innovation with the consumer protection, ensuring AI system remains transparent, accountable, and then it makes sure that the global compliance requirement met. So that above all, what are the key takeaways from this, and then what are the next steps we have to do to make it this AI works good for us and is good for the make it the cybersecurity safe. Yeah, the AI revolution in action. The first thing that we discussed, that AI technologies have demonstrated transform result reduction of fraud by cutting up to 65% while processing the transaction 4x faster and making the account digital payment platform. The second thing is power of partnership, success demanded strategies, collaboration between the financial institution, like we discussed, and then expertise, security expertise, ensure defense in depth, and then using the AI methods, and then partnership between the fintech companies, we can achieve this. And then building tomorrow's trust by implementing AI-driven security solution today. We are creating a future while digital payments are not just a faster, more efficient, but fundamentally secure, trustworthy for all participants. So, by coming to the conclusion towards the secure and the future, all the stuff, what we discussed so far, what is the conclusion about AI, how it transformed? AI has transformed from theoretical concept to the powerful force reshaping. And then using the AI technologies and then intelligent, there are a lot of mechanisms that AI doing right now, like we discussed, fraud detection, real-time monitoring, and intelligent authentication. So these are stuff we can use, and then we can use this AI in good a way where it will ease our transactions with a secure, and then basically the future of digital payments isn't just bright. So it's here. So digital payments, we want to make the digital payments bright. So it's here, it's being safeguarded by the unstoppable combination of human expertise and artificial intelligence. So that's conclude my presentation. Hope everybody got some knowledge, and thanks for the opportunity here. And then have a good day. Thank you.